Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बस वो सोच के अपने आप ही सोच के ना कि मेरा क्या होगा.
अंदर से
May I
कुछ
come in,
खाया
sir?
जा रहा है. आओ
Please.
कम.
Good afternoon, sir.
आफ्टरनून बैठो.
Thank
ना
you, sir.
तुम्हारा हिंदी में है ना?
English.
योटी वाज इन इंग्लिश है हिंदी में भूल गया.
Sir, English.
English. But your optional is Hindi literature.
Yes, sir, it is.
Now I remember. Your interview is on 5th of Feb. Almost there. NCC.
Yes, sir.
Now, what use is NCC?
So, NCC instills discipline, leadership, and service in the youth. So,
Let's say tomorrow there's a war and India is short of soldiers and officers. Do you think people who have done NCC C certificate or whatever you do you think they'll be fit to go and fight a war?
so they would be definitely of great importance when it comes to assistance. If there is a short of personnel in the war times, they might not be much great in combat roles as opposed to the heavily trained armed personnel, but they would be of great assistance and relief
in
measures.
supporting roles you
Yes, sir.
And apart from NCC now we also have something called the Territorial Army.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So I'm not aware of that.
Not at all?
No, sir.
Hindi literature.
Yes, sir.
Now India has all kinds of literature. I mean, so
Yes.
many languages. If you have to choose the literature of some other Indian language other than
Yes.
Hindi, which one would you choose?
So I think I would choose Urdu literature because it has.
Leave Urdu.
So then it would be. So I would like to know the tales of Punjabi literature, like the tales of Heer Ranjha, Laila Majnu. All these, they are heavily being written in the Punjabi language. So I would like to read that.
I was reading something very interesting which I had not noticed earlier. Most of our rivers have feminine names.
Yes, sir.
Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari. Tell me 2 or 3 rivers that have masculine names or gender neutral names.
So Brahmaputra would be one.
Brahmaputra could be either way.
Yes, sir. And Satluj,
Okay.
Chenab,
Okay. Now
Jhelum.
leave the Indus system alone.
so Periyar River,
Okay.
Pennuru River.
Okay. Now leave South India.
So then I'm not much aware then of other names which have gender neutral names.
Okay. Now, why do Indian rivers, most of them at least, have feminine names? What could be the reason?
So I'm not aware of
Think.
this.
Never mind. It's just an opinion I'm asking.
So maybe because rivers have been termed as the lifeline, and a mother is also sort of a lifeline, or it has the feminine aspect to it of for fertility. River provides fertility to the soil. Water does that, so that might be the case that they have been
Okay.
of that.
2 weeks back, I was in London. The River Thames was one of the most polluted that the world has ever seen.
Yes, sir.
It's now the cleanest.
Yes, sir.
It has no religious significance for the British. They just love the river. It is beautifully clean.
Yes, sir.
Here, Ganga is my mother and one of the most polluted rivers on earth.
Yes, sir.
How do you explain this?
So it explains the civic sense of people and how to utilize Ganga. They term it as Holy Ganga. They term it as Mother, but there are also the last rites being performed in the Ganga for the ultimate.
I was just coming to that. The last rites that are formed, let's say Haridwar,
Yes, sir.
now it has immense religious significance for Hindus,
Yes, sir.
correct? And yet at some level we are badly polluting the river.
Yes, sir.
My last question, how would you convince people, Hindus, that don't do this to the Ganga? Would you dare to do it? And if yes, how?
So first and foremost, it would have to be in a graded manner because outright we cannot stop people from performing the last rites.
What will you tell them? Just tell me in
Sir,
2 sentences.
I would just showcase them various case studies such as that of Thames and a river in Philippines, that how they have cleaned their rivers and how clean river is more holy than ever, and pollution is not the way, but cleanliness of the river is way, and it is the duty of
Yeah,
all
thank
of
you.
us. Thank you, sir.
And now let me take you across to on the international front, since your second choice is the IFS.
Yes, ma'am.
Geopolitical shifts are taking place.
Yes,
you know, in the last few years. You know, it's great shifts are taking place. And the global power of balance is shifting. So how do you see it? How do you describe it briefly? What is happening? What do I mean by, by when I say this? Or what is meant by when I say this?
Earlier, from the unipolar hegemonic rule of USA, the world is shifting towards a more multipolar order as of now, because China is also rising globally in economic terms, and it also translates into geopolitical power as well. Also, Russia is coming at the forefront. The BRICS nation, the SAARC nations are also following a teamwork, and they also want a
SAARC?
not SAARC, but the
SAARC
BRICS.
is almost moribund.
Wow.
It's moribund, but BRICS nation are certainly there. Also, India is also a rising power from Asia and has the potential
So
to
what's
become.
happening?
The
Where
world
is power shifting?
the power is shifting in the multipolar order. Initially, it is in the Chinese front as of now.
It's moving to China, you think?
Yes, ma'am.
So how is it going to impact?
Ma'am,
What impact will it have? If you think China will be the next unipower, solar
Ma'am,
power?
it is far from that as of now, because US at least still has more share than China when
So
it
what
comes
is
to
US
wealth.
doing about it? US is worried, I think. Isn't it? Is the US worried?
No, ma'am, I'm not aware of.
You're not aware. So, you know, India's foreign policy approaches from how the world has evolved in the shifting geopolitical shifts that are taking place. What has India's foreign policy approach been since independence? And currently, what is it? Very briefly, 2, 3, 4 points.
Earlier, it was the policy of non-alignment and protecting our territorial integrity.
Always, territorial integrity, national interest is always the core of our foreign policy.
Yes,
isn't it? Or
ma'am.
any country's foreign policy.
And now we have transformed from a passive receiver to also become an active participator in the global fronts.
No, but what is our approaches? Foreign policy approaches kya hai?
Ma'am, I'm not aware of that as well.
Please read a little bit about it, because and what is today's current foreign policy approach kya hai? What is it today?
Ma'am, I'm not aware of that.
Not aware of a foreign policy approach? What approaches we are taking in the world? How have we been? What our reactions have been?
It is that of dialogue and peace that we are having. We just want to maintain our territorial integrity and have a neutral stance wherever it is required. We are more towards the soft power in the humanitarian grounds.
And last question then. You know, neighborhood first policy. Have you heard about it, and how effective has it been? What is it and how effective has it been?
Ma'am, neighborhood first policy was based on the Gujarat Doctrine, and after that we have two skirmishes on the border fronts, one with China, another with Pakistan, but still we have maintained cordial relationships with
Are
our
they both
other.
part of our neighborhood first policy?
Ma'am, they both are also part of neighborhood first policy, but still there has to be an equal footing when it comes to negotiations on the international front or the foreign policy aspect. So there have been skirmishes on the Pakistani and Indian border, India-Pakistan border. So that is there.
Okay, thank you.
Mona,
Yes, sir.
you're a poet also.
Yes, sir.
You write poetry.
Yes, sir. I do.
What, any topics you write, or just time in whatever you
So-
feel like?
Thank you.
Whenever there are strong emotions related to any circumstance, I try to write about that.
Published?
No, sir.
Can you give us a poem?
It's written by me.
Oh yes, of course. If it is, that will be better.
Yes, sir.
If it is your own.
So recently I wrote about Kahani Ka Sanvi Kirdar, or the secondary character. It is all about of my tiring journey in UPSC, and now I just want to be zoned out. I don't want to be the focus at all. So it goes like, क्या तुमने कभी देखा है कहानी का एक सानवी किरदार, एक अंधेरी रात में लैम्प पोस्ट तले सिगरेट का धुआं उड़ाता वो अजनबी, या बारिश की तेज़ बौछार में दौड़कर सड़क पार करता वो गुमनाम, या ट्रेन के पीछे दौड़ता वो मुसाफिर, एक पल में नज़र से ओझल हो जाने वाले गैर अहम से मामूली से वो किरदार जिन पर मरकज़ियत और जोम का भरम कोई नहीं, बस वही सानवी किरदार अब मैं जीना चाहती हूँ.
Journey. Never ending journey है.
It's a never ending journey, sir.
Good. थोड़ा सुनाते हैं तो थोड़ा सा slow.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, that is good. They will definitely hear from you.
Yes, sir.
Because that shows whether you have written even just for the sake of it or you really know it.
Yes, sir.
We now come to the crux of the question, actually, that your father is a constable in Where in BSF or?
In Rajasthan Police. In
Rajasthan
Rajasthan
Police.
Police.
So being a policeman is not a easy task these days.
It is not, sir.
They are, I mean, beaten up also. They are, I mean, run over also. I mean, has your father ever shared with you the problems he faces day to day?
So he is a constable driver, so he has various vehicles which he have to move from a place to another. So he has not been actively there, but he just transports he just transports the personals as well as the grocery that is needed for them during the curfews or the law and order issues. So that's what but he wasn't at the forefront, but during the elections the personals are employed, so the booth capturing and all these things he have faced multiple times.
Hours of duty, fatigue.
Fatigue, sir. It is there. Like there were months when we could not meet him. For 2 to 3 months, he was off duty. He was posted off station, so he would have to work relentlessly, shift by shift, and napping just 2 to 3 hours in between the shifts. So there have been long working hours, arduous ones.
Okay. And how come this BSF Academy school you joined?
So actually, where the RAC battalion is posted nearby, there is the BSF campus as well. So that's how I
That's why.
studied in KVBSF Jodhpur.
Okay. So what things you'd like to change? You have seen the police, I mean, your father may be a driver or just a other person. I mean, any changes you want to bring? You want in the police system?
Yes, sir. Few of them would be reasonable working hours, that there has to be shift systems. They are in place, but they are not followed in letter and spirit. So if the shifts are more humane in nature, so the fatigue study can be taken over, so that more output can be there out of police. Also police sensitization and people's demeanor towards police might change, that they are friends of police and they should not be fearing police in general. And also smart digitization of police thanas, more accessibility of police to the general public. These are the few things I would like to change.
People feel quite confident in approaching Rajasthan police personnel in case of any problem?
So they are not much confident, but if the crime is of severe stature, then they might try to contact police.
Okay. You check up on the police public ratio, vacancies and all that. You know, when you say shift system, then there has to be sufficient number of police personnel.
Yes, sir, there is huge gap.
Then
in
only
that.
you can rotate them.
Yes, sir.
Understand? You appeared for the CAPF also. How many CAPFs are there in the country and what is their role?
So there are 7 CAPF forces which are being listed down by this UPSC, and they are paramilitary forces. So they have zone specific as well as industry specific roles, such as the CISF. It guards the airports, and then there is Indo-Tibetan Border Police. It guards the Indo-Tibetan border. So it has.
Why it is called Indo-Tibetan? Why not Indo-China police?
Because India believes in the autonomy of Tibet, though it believes in the one China policy, but still Tibet has been an autonomous region of China, and India believes that India borders Tibet.
This last question. Why you said one China? What is one China policy?
So one China policy is where we believe that where Taiwan, Hong Kong, all these are being termed as the integral part of China when it comes to the economic forefront, and recognizing them as separate nations.
They consider Taiwan as a broken away part.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. I really find an interesting element, and that is watching Pakistani dramas.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the thing that amazes you? Because I have seen a lot, in your generation is very much fascinated by the Pakistani dramas. What fascinates more?
So my broader reasons would be the use of Urdu language, the dialogue delivery. Second would be the brevity of those dramas, and third would be relatability and modesty of content.
Rate your 3 favorite.
So
Pakistan.
it would be Parizad, then it would be Khai, and then Zindagi Gulzar Hai.
Zindagi Gulzar Hai, very nice. Any couplet from Parizad? You remember?
Yes, sir. सितारे चमक उठेंगे किसी की चश्मे हैरा में, मोहब्बतें जाएंगी जमाले अब्र यारा, ये न आबाद वक्तों में गुले नाशाद में होगी, मोहब्बत अब नहीं होगी ये कुछ दिन बाद में होगी,
Wow.
जब गुजर जाएंगे ये दिन तो उनकी याद में होगी.
Very good.
Wow, that's good.
So you write as well. So what is the difference between a ghazal and a nazm?
So I'm not aware of the difference.
Is there a difference?
So there is.
Okay. And what what is difference between matla and makta?
I'm not aware. Sir.
You're not aware. Hindi literature is your optional as well.
Yes, sir.
So
Not
this-
Urdu.
yeah, that's interesting. So tell me, how the last work of Munshi Premchand, that is
Godan.
Godan, and the first work of Renu, that is
Mela Aanchal.
Mela Aanchal, how they're relevant today? First, there are two parts. First, compare them, and then how they're relevant today.
So first and foremost, Godan is not region specific, whereas Mela Aanchal is inherently an Anchalik Upanyas or a regional one. So that is the major difference between Godan and Mela Aanchal. They are still relevant today because all the issues that were being mentioned in Godan, for example, the plight of farmers, capitalism, feudalism in the rural economy, also the dowry system, religious disharmony, all these things were present. And similarly in Maryganj, when it was being said that Azadi hai, kuch bhi karo, chalittar karmkar, all these were the characters which are still relevant today, that women are also not being considered that much कि औरत तो बिना दवा दारू के ही आराम हो जाती है या फिर दोख तो लक्ष्मी का ही है. All these things are still pertinent today.
And can you give me a brief, very short review of Gunaho Ka Devta? Have you read that?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Just one question that because you come from Rajasthan, and when we talk about Rajasthan, there is a gender bias which exists in the society, and even that exists even today. Let's say you get your home cadre, and you are posted in a place where the male subordinates who are working under your designation, they have issues in taking orders from a female,
Yes.
and then the situation is becoming tough for you. How will you tackle this situation?
Sir, first and foremost, the workforce or the male subordinates, it might be difficult because of various cultural, social reasons. So they need to understand that there is an authority which is being appointed by the government of India, and also it has the constitutional backing. So I'll try to, first and foremost, I would try to negotiate with them, and also talk to them in a peaceful manner. And if still they do not do that, then there are other measures that can be taken.
Like,
For example, stringent actions that I'll just delegate them few tasks which they have to complete. So there will be reviews and also stricter monitoring, and if they do not come to just fulfill all these tasks, then that is their duty, that is their official duty, legal duty, which they have to do. So if they do not just work in the legal or the official manner, then there might be implications about that.
but even then also, so this is what you're saying is more of a on the work through the books kind of action. But how will you try, or how will you take action so that this feeling, this one action is you just took the action and fine, I'm doing my work properly, after that I don't care. Will this be your attitude, or you will try to reform at least that particular office or that particular department?
I would definitely try to reform the office because it needs base level or the structural changes, because it is deep seated in their minds and in their hearts that they should not be taking orders. So then my work should speak, my relentless efforts, my attitude and my zeal to serve my nation should be at the forefront. So these aspects can be taken into consideration.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Recently this Kumbh is going on. Kumbh is also creating some environmental pollution or polluting the Ganga.
Yes, sir.
So what measures government has taken for that?
So I'm not aware of that.
Okay. So have you heard about green hydrogen? Because every day in news you will find that green hydrogen.
So I have a faint idea about green hydrogen.
So tell something.
So it is a more cleaner form of hydrogen where only water and steam are the residue.
Okay. So in Delhi there is a grab third. What is this that?
Pardon?
Grab third.
Grab
GRAP.
three.
Grab 3.
Okay.
GRAP.
GRAP, yes sir. So it is a response action plan to tackle the environmental issues such as the severe AQI and all these things.
Okay. So there is a BS4 and BS6
Yes, sir.
vehicle, na? In Grab, this third stage BS4 is not allowed in Delhi, right? And there is fine also. Huge fine is also there.
Yes sir.
So how this BS4 is different from BS6?
So I'm not aware of the difference.
Okay. So do you have idea, because your father is from police background, so do you have idea about community policing?
Community policing.
Community policing, yes.
Yes, sir. I have heard few of the examples in Kerala, like the issue Jan Maitri, and in Tamil Nadu, Friends of Police. So these are few of the examples of community policing.
Why people still fear about the police? Because if somebody come to my home in a dress form, so people fear that. So why there is this image of police in front of the public?
So I think even after independence, the colonial hangover of police is still there. So colonial legacy still continues, and that mindset is also there that one must fear police because they have the authority and the law, and a layman might not be much aware of the laws, but the police is a little bit more aware about the laws. So that there might be fear instilled in common people.
Okay. So there is a London policing system. How this London policing system is different from Indian policing system, and what Indian policing system should learn from the London policing system?
So I'm not aware of the London policing system. I might have to read
Okay.
about it.
So have you heard about this DGP Prakash Singh case about the police reforms?
So I've just
Can you
heard that
suggest
he
some
had certain
recommendations?
recommendations, but I've not read the recommendation.
Okay. So who invented this Qawwali?
So father of Qawwali is Amir Khusro.
So what is difference between Ghazal and Qawwali?
So ghazal can be written and also sung, whereas Qawwali is simply the rendition of Sufi verses in a musical form.
Okay. So have you heard about Amir Khusro?
Yes, sir.
So what is the contribution of Amir Khusro?
So he was a renowned musician, a singer, as well as he was he knew various languages, and he is said to be and also he was a great social reformer as well of its times.
Okay. So what is the basic difference between Pakistani drama and Hindustani drama?
So it would be, first and foremost would be the length. Pakistani dramas are quite brief in their nature, where roughly 25 to 30 episodes long, whereas in Indian dramas it might stretch to years and years, that we might be waiting that when Mihir would be alive again.
So
or
you are
the
saying that
Henpals might die.
Indians are more dramatic.
They are.
Okay. So you said that in this Daphne there is a badminton. You are playing badminton.
Yes, sir.
So you are regular or casually you are playing
Yes, I
badminton?
used to play it for casually because it is more accessible for us to play, and it just needs simple equipments which are also affordable.
Okay. So there is Goi. What is this?
Kissa Goi, sir.
Kissa Goi, yes.
It is simply storytelling, the art of storytelling.
Okay. So what is the basic ingredient of art of storytelling?
So it is the warmth and the comfort with which a conversation can be held, and also the perspective of the storyteller which drives the conversation, and also the dramatic effects which are being posed so that it can be interesting for the listeners.
So you are a storyteller also,
Yes, sir, I do.
along with poetry?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Last time we met and today, what difference do you see in yourself?
So I think I've taken your recommendations and tried to refine my sentences a little bit more. I'm more cautious of my vocabulary, and also I've read certain things which you have told me to
I
read.
find you much better today.
Yes, sir.
You feel the same?
Yes, sir.
Much, much better. But because I've just recently met you, let's have an unbiased opinion first, and then I'll.
Okay, so Mona, overall you are pleasant, good personality, everything, but yes, there are gaps, knowledge gaps. and you are guessing. Please avoid guessing altogether.
Yes,
And there are certain basic things that are happening in the world. You have to be reading. If you're not reading regularly, it's going to, affect. Because there are certain things, current affairs, world affairs, you have to be very aware.
Yes, ma'am.
And police reforms, of course, you should know. Your dad is in the police.
Yes,
So, and then all the new amendments, the laws, names have been changed and amendments. What are the basic things? All these things you have to be aware of.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And how many times have you appeared already? Or it's the first time you're appearing? Because we don't have your DAF.
Ma'am, I'm appearing for the second time in the
Second.
personality test, and I'm appearing for the fourth time in total for the UPSC Civil
UPS.
Services.
And
Fourth interview.
No, this
Second,
is
second.
fourth attempt.
fourth attempt, second interview.
Second.
What was your marks in the first interview?
It was 195, sir.
Yeah, I remember now.
195. And then your written didn't go well.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I see. And people will ask you, how will Hindi literature help you in your service, So have prepare a reply for that.
Yes, ma'am.
And, you can do very well if you, excellent, everything you have everything going for you. But some knowledge gaps and avoid guessing and
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
rush to answer. Right? So, and you have not much time now, 5th February, and you should do well, but just keep reading.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think be aware of what's happening, read editorials of the newspaper, it'll help you to make your thoughts.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
some cases you're answering well, but in some cases no.
Yes, ma'am.
Little gaps are there. So, but questions that come from DAF, current affairs, international affairs.
Yes, ma'am.
So just brush up your knowledge a little bit
Yes,
and
ma'am.
put your thoughts together. I think that is most important. That's where you sometimes are mixing up issues.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the only thing. Otherwise, everything is very good. And this time you've done well in your written
I think I've done better than before.
than before. Okay.
I think while agreeing to what ma'am has said, I think this was a good interview. Great improvement in you.
Yes.
But the guesswork part, and don't rush into answering. Now Prakash Singh case is a very famous case. Supreme Court laid down certain
Police
guidelines.
reform.
Prakash Singh himself did not lay down the guidelines.
Yes, sir.
So you suddenly said no, Prakash Singh laid down some.
So I
he
was
did-
confused with the Prakash Singh Committee on Police Reforms.
Prakash Singh Committee, Supreme Court laid down the guidelines. Prakash Singh Committee laid down the guidelines. Just think. I mean, give it 5 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Great interview. But ma'am has said, just keep that in mind. I have nothing much to say. I mean,
Yes.
last time also you had good marks. I think you'll get equally good marks or better this time.
Yes, sir.
And I'm glad you've improved so much.
Thank you, sir.
And please improve your current affair, current knowledge,
Yes,
right? Environmental issues, Kumbh Mela, particularly Kumbh is going on.
Yes.
So focus on the Kumbh,
I will, sir.
because
Yes.
why Kumbh? This Kumbh is more important
Yes.
because after 144 year, so what is the significance of Kumbh? Okay, so focus
Yeah,
because
this particular Kumbh,
this
yes.
particular Kumbh.
There's something very significant,
significant
about it. Keep
about
that in mind.
Yes, ma'am.
And on the 25th, there's going to be today. There's this celestial,
And prepare environmental issues because
yeah,
every
look at
time,
that also.
every time
Yeah.
Supreme Court is saying, because I am Supreme Court lawyer also,
Yes, sir.
so most of the time Supreme Court is
Yes,
focusing on the
many.
environment every day.
Yes, sir. I'll refine
so
that
please.
environmental aspect of my knowledge.
Right.
Prakash Singh case you must state because it was a last attempt to improve the policing system.
Police.
Yes, sir.
Though of course the recommendations have been beaten back
Yes, sir.
by the establishment.
In India, na,
Hardly anything has been put in practice.
Yes, sir.
But it was a very serious attempt by Supreme Court to clean up the police issue,
Yes, sir.
policing issue.
Yes.
But you should know it.
Yes, sir.
Mona, just few observations. So the poetry that you write is kind of a rebellious or a revolutionary kind of genre you prefer?
So,
Not
it's-
happy with the things that are happening around you?
yes, sir. Sometimes the arduous, tiring journey, and moreover, sometimes I just want to zone out. I just want to vanish. So the
That is,
solitude. and all.
visible sometimes. What I felt at few points that she's like, now I'm fed up with this UPSC thing. Let me go through, and I just want to stop it at some point. And
Well,
that is
trying.
visible something. So try not to show that.
Yes, sir.
So but that is something that I observe that at sometimes you're not. The couplets that you selected that also displayed that okay. There is need to be some pause. Work on the basics because you have written ghazals and qawwalis and these things in your DAF, so you should be very well with the basics of that.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What is difference between ghazal and nazm? What is makta? What is matla? They can come on Radif Kafiya or
Yes.
Harf Rawi on all these kind of things. Rest is fine, a good storytelling, but this you have written here as well, Qissa Goi. So it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Just you need to be calm and composed and don't take the baggage with you.
Yes, sir.
4 attempts or 2 attempts or whatever, don't take that baggage with you,
Yes,
because that is somewhat hindering her performance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So leave that baggage outside the room. This is your first and fresh attempt, feel like that.
Consider
Yes,
it
sir.
fresh attempt.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If
Fine.
you keep this tempo, you will be through.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
All
just-
the best.
This time you will get very good marks.
Yeah, and as Sir has said,
More than
selection of your
200.
selection of your poem should be a little careful. Don't give it a rebellious. Don't.
और
choose
ज़्यादा
a
लंबा
rebellious
मत खींचो उसको.
Yes, sir.
Give 3-4 lines.
Yeah.
Don't have time actually.
सिर्फ इसे कोशिश करना, अगर कहें तो एक शेर सुनाना सिर्फ.
Yes, sir.
Short, brief.
Short. So if even they ask कि आपने कुछ लिखा वो सुनाइए, then say sir just a couple of lines from what I have written.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
पूरा सुनाने की जरूरत नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And then choose the best 2-4
Positive,
lines.
yeah, and choose a
Yes.
positive one. Not
Positive
this कि मैं
and
fed up हो
emotional,
गई.
some kind of emotional
Yes, sir.
thing. That will be better.
Fine. Rest is fine.
All the
Rest is
best.
All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir. Thank you.